If there's one secret that separates thriving gardens from struggling ones, it's not just sunlight, watering, or even compost, it's how consistently your soil feeds your plants. Most gardeners, myself included in the early days, start by piling compost on the surface or mixing it into the top layer of soil. It works. For a while, plants perk up, colors deepen, and growth takes off, but a few weeks later, the magic fades, and we're back to watering, feeding, and fighting to keep the soil alive. That's where an old, nearly forgotten method comes in, a method that feeds your roots every single day, rain or shine. It's called the Compost Tunnel Method, and it's one of the smartest, lowest-effort soil feeding systems I've ever used. It quietly transforms kitchen scraps and garden waste into a steady underground buffet for your plants. No piles to turn, no smell, and no wasted nutrients. Let's dig into how it works, why it's better than traditional composting, and how you can build your own self-feeding soil system that'll last for years. The compost tunnel method actually dates back to the 1940s wartime victory gardens when gardeners had to grow food continuously without store-bought fertilizer. They couldn't afford waste, so they turned their compost into the soil itself. Instead of letting nutrients wash away or dry out on the surface, they buried them in narrow trenches, where moisture, warmth, and microbes could do their best work. Over time, the tunnel will sink slightly as the material decomposes. That's your cue that the microbes are working. You can top it up every few months or simply mulch over it and let the biology continue doing its thing. Inside that buried trench, an entire ecosystem comes to life. Moisture and oxygen seep in from the surrounding soil, creating the perfect environment for bacteria, fungi, and actinomycetes to thrive. These microbes break down your compost layers, releasing a slow, steady stream of nutrients. But that's only half the story. As these organisms feed and multiply, they form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, releasing enzymes and acids that unlock minerals in the surrounding soil. Your plants aren't just feeding on the compost, they're feeding on the microbial activity itself. Because the compost is protected underground, it keeps working even in tough weather, staying moist through droughts and warm through cold snaps. It's like having a tiny underground compost factory running all year round. And unlike surface composting, where nutrients can be lost to evaporation or runoff, compost tunnels keep everything in the soil, right where your plants need it. The first time I tried this method, the difference was visible within a few weeks. My tomato plants developed deeper green leaves, thicker stems, and far more blossoms. Even during a dry spell, they stayed vigorous while neighboring beds struggled. Over the seasons, the changes became permanent. The soil stayed softer, earthworms multiplied, and the plants seemed more resilient to both drought and disease. I've seen similar results from other gardeners who've adopted this system. Once the biology takes root, your garden almost runs itself. If you're growing perennials like berries, herbs, or fruiting shrubs, the compost tunnel method is even more effective. Simply install the tunnels just outside the drip line of each plant. The roots will grow toward the nutrient-rich zone naturally, feeding continuously without any need for surface composting or disturbing the soil. The compost tunnel method offers more than just convenience. It fundamentally improves your soil over time. Because the compost breaks down slowly in place, it builds soil aggregation, binding clay particles and organic matter into a rich, crumbly structure. Water retention improves dramatically. In field trials and personal tests, moisture levels in compost-tunneled beds have stayed up to 40% higher during dry spells. Earthworm activity doubles within a season, and soil carbon content steadily increases. For gardeners working with heavy clay soils, compost tunnels act like natural air ducts, breaking up compaction. In sandy soils, they trap and stabilize moisture. Either way, your garden becomes more forgiving, more fertile, and less dependent on outside inputs. In a modest 10 by 10 foot garden with 2 tunnels running its length, you can recycle up to 200 pounds of kitchen and garden waste every year, all directly into the soil. That's real circular gardening waste transformed into life right under your feet. Once your tunnels are established, maintenance couldn't be simpler. Every few months, or at the start of each new planting season, reopen the top layer and add fresh compostables, alternate greens and browns, water well, and reseal with soil or mulch. If you want to boost microbial life even further, pour a diluted worm tea or microbial inoculant directly over the tunnel line. A ratio of 1 part worm tea to 10 parts water is plenty. This keeps the underground community thriving and prevents the tunnel from going dormant. After a year or so, the oldest tunnels will have completely blended into the soil. You can dig new ones beside them, creating a rotating network of nutrient channels throughout your beds. It's a self-renewing cycle, and one that feeds itself while feeding your plants. Whether you're tending a balcony planter, a raised bed, or a small homestead plot, the compost tunnel method scales beautifully. It's clean, discreet, and incredibly efficient, especially if you're tired of hauling, turning, and managing bulky compost piles. It's also perfect for urban or small space gardeners who want the benefits of composting without the odor or the mess. Even a single tunnel in a small bed can make a noticeable difference in plant health. The best part? Once you set it up, you're no longer just composting, you're cultivating living soil. The system runs on biology, not labor, and the results compound year after year. Every gardener dreams of a self-sustaining garden, one that thrives without constant feeding or fuss. The compost tunnel method is exactly that. It's the quiet revolution beneath your feet. Simple, effective, and endlessly regenerative. Once you set it in motion, you stop working against nature and start working with it. Microbes feed the soil feeds the roots. The plants repay you with resilience, flavor, and abundance. So if you're ready to stop chasing short-term fixes and start building long-term fertility, give the compost tunnel method a try. Your soil, and your harvest, will thank you. And if you found this guide useful, subscribe to SoilSage Chronicles for more proven, experience-based methods that help you build a thriving, living garden from the ground down. Share this article with another gardener who's ready to let the soil do the work, and together, let's grow a world where compost never stops feeding.